Nelson rules are used for detecting out-of-control condition with the help of the control chart. The control chart shows the measured data along with 5 horizontal lines. First, the desired mean. Second and third, the desired mean plus minus 2 desired standard deviations. Fourth and fifth, plus minus 3 standard deviations. Enter the mean, standard deviation, and data into the green cells, and press enter. The chart will show if there are violations of the Nelson rules. In this example, we test only 3 rules, number 1, 2, and 5. The chart shows 2 violations of the rule number 5 as 2 blue points. Try to add one more data point equal to 27. It is easier to do with the help of the formula bar. In the end of the formula, type 27 and press enter. Wait a couple of seconds. If you see Python editor on the right, close it. You will see that the new point is shown in red and hence violates Nelson rule number 1. It is more than 3 standard deviations from the mean.